chicken lovers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yes guys, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel guys. We are almost at 400 subbies, so yeah guys, thank you so much for sharing the links. Thank you so much guys for subscribing. Yeah guys, I really appreciate it. So guys, for today's video, it was actually someone was inspired by someone who DM'd me and asked if we can actually make lunch with beef without using any thickeners. You know how you can make soup using thickeners and stuff like that. So today I'm going to be showing you a very affordable way of making a delicious lunch. Yeah, so yeah guys, using beef as the main ingredient. So let's get to it. Yeah. Yes guys, right here we have our garlic, fresh garlic. This is our onions, this is our green pepper and our carrots. Guys, here I have my tomatoes. I've grated them, and this is long grain rice, right? And then here I have my crushed garlic, paprika, and then we have shisanyama, and then this is curry powder guys, and then we have our canola oil as usual. Here guys, the first thing you need to do is to boil your beef. Mine is ready, as you can see. A little bit messy, but okay. It's good mess. Anyways guys, let's get into it. Let's fry and cook and we become nice. So guys, you need to also make sure you need to make sure that there is water. This water, you need to keep it for later. Don't throw it out, don't pour it out. So let's get on to frying our vegetables. So guys, now it's time to add in your oil. Alright, and then now I'm going to take the vegetables. Oh, this is a little bit too hot, so I'm just gonna put it aside, and then we'll add in our carrots. Our onion. There we have it guys. Kitchen lovers, let's do this. Let's add in our spices, already smelling good. I'm going to add in my paprika. Crushed garlic. And then my shisanyama, spicy shisanyama. Curry powder. It's almost finished. This is what it looks like inside, and then we'll give this a good stir. Lovely. And then when you have this, quickly throw in the tomatoes. And then we have this sauce. Just add in a few drops. Right, so this is what it looks like now. And then we're going to close for a few minutes and then we'll come back. let's check our progress. So now this is time to add in water, just water. And then see guys, that's how it's looking. And then we add in our beef. This is our beef that I had been boiling. It's very tender. See, very tender. Yes guys, so inside. Look at that. See? So this is what you have now. So I'm going to close this again. Yes guys, so now it's time to wash the rice. So I'm just gonna throw it in there and wash it thoroughly. Make sure you've washed your hands before doing this guys. Alright, so this is what it is guys. So the rice has been washed. So now I'll just look at that. All the juices are in. See? And you have this. So now, remember guys, there's that water I told you not to throw away. Yeah. So now this is spice, and see, this is another. Actually, it's a herb. It's a herb. It's dried. Yeah. So I'm just gonna throw it in there as well. Fine. On. So. After this, I'm going to put in the washed rice. See, this is the washed rice. I'm just going to put it in there. Alright. Make sure I mix this together. This is not cooked, guys. This is not cooked yet. The rice is not cooked. And then, what I'm going to do now is to take the water that this water that remains from boiling the beef. So I'm just gonna pour it in there. Yeah. All this. And then this is the time for you to actually reduce the heat, because the rice has to fully cook before it's done. Alright, so guys, we reduce the heat. Alright, and then you close, allow it to cook until it's done. Yeah guys, so guys, you need to keep stirring this so that it doesn't burn. Alright, so you keep on stirring again and again. Alright, so yeah, so the rice is ready. Let's start plating it. Look at that, lovely. Yo guys, make sure you try this at home. Yeah, very easy recipe. Look at those, look at those. Yo guys, this is the final product. Yeah, you can garnish with anything, green or green basically. So thank you guys for subscribing to my channel. Make sure you try this at home. It's so easy to make. Alright, yeah guys, so bye bye.